how to sign into a Roku account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in roku.com and press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will be taken to the official website of Roku. Now to log in, head over to the upper right section. There, just in front of this card icon, you will get sign in button. Click on that. Then you will be directed to sign in page. On your left hand side on this interface, you will get sign in prompt. First of all, you have to enter the valid email address associated with your Roku account. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your password. Now login credentials to your desktop, then you can simply click on remember me, and the next time whenever you try to log into your Roku account, you can directly log into your account. Or if you don't have an account yet and you are new to Roku, you can create an account by clicking on this create account button. Follow some screen instructions, create a new account. And after that, you can simply log in with your account. Now, once you're done typing in your email and password, click on sign in button, and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account. That's how you can log into Roku account, and that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.